folks, I have a banjo uke to show you today. This is number 975. This is a tenor scale banjo uke with a 10-inch rim. I've made 5 or 6 of these now. They're not actually on the website, but I've really enjoyed it. So yeah, normally all my banjo ukes have an 8-inch rim, even the tenor ones. But this tenor scale on the 10-inch rim, I really like it because it's a little more proportional to the tenor scale, I think, than the smaller pot. So yeah, it's really fun. So this one has got 2 woods mixed back and forth. It's either mesquite or walnut. The mesquite comes from Texas from a retired banjo builder, and the walnut is from here in Oregon, of course. So the rim is mesquite mostly, which is a good hard wood with a walnut cap. And the neck is walnut with mesquite stripes, and then mesquite fretboard head plate. And then the bridge is mesquite as well. So it's really fun. Mesquite is like, it's real hard. So it's very well suited to musical instruments. And then to mix it with walnut makes it a little lighter weight and I think mellows the tone a little bit. So yeah, this one's got a pickup and a dyed skin head and an armrest. So I think with the 10-inch rim, it's like not necessarily any louder, but it's just got more air behind every note. It's got a little more size and shape behind every note. And I like doing it. It sounds good. So yeah, this is number 975. Ready to go.